Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, Cutting Optimization. Cutting Optimization enables you to organize cuttings and reduce profile-based design waste. You can therefore optimize your material supplies and reduce your manufacturing costs. We are going to configure the manufacture of this machine welded structure. Cutting Optimization will directly use the list of welded parts in the drawing. I create a new Cutting Optimization project and I enter the information and number of products to manufacture. I select the machine welded table directly from the drawing. Cutting Optimization then associates the profiles in the Solidworks table with the information in the database. This information, aimed at the production department, will make it possible to subsequently calculate the cutting time and associated costs. This database is, of course, fully customizable. You can also add profiles manually. For each profile, it is possible to specify its orientation on the saw table. This information, to be used by operators, will appear in the execution document. You can also assign a color to the profiles. The color will appear in the report. Cutting Optimization also enables you to optimize the beam supply length to minimize waste. For example, for beam CO8030, I'm looking for an optimum length between 4,000 and 6,000 millimeters. At intervals of 500 mm proposed by my supplier. I will have minimal waste, less than 3%, using 4,500 mm long beams. Finally, Cutting Optimization enables you to create and print the execution report to distribute all production information to the workshop. The part number in the list of Solidworks welded parts is inserted on each section. The operator can find the summary of output and the list of cuttings per beam length. A diagram of overlapping profiles enables the document to be read and the cutting angles to be decoded. If you'd like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for Solidworks 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about Solidworks or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.